2 programs, 2 years, a lifetime of opportunities. Let's go get your future. Imagine what you can do at Morrison Tech EDU. Hey, I'm Abe. I'm an admissions rep here at Morrison Tech. Come on in, let me talk to you a little bit. This is my office. Well, it's not actually my office, but sometimes I act like it is. What's up, LaMarcus?
What's up, Abe?
Tell me, what do you think is your favorite part about the classes here at Morrison Tech?
I like how you can get one-on-one time with the teachers, and it's also really hands-on, and I like that about the school.
What's some of the reasons you picked Morrison Tech?
Well, I picked the school because it was still open during the times we're in, and plus, I hear it has a really good high recommendation for job placements afterwards.
How about that starting salary after graduation?
Heard it's gonna pay back my student loans really fast, so why not?
How about what's some of the stuff you like doing in class? How about the tools or the programs you guys use?
I do like AutoCAD. It actually keeps me really well focused on what I'm trying to do. I also do like working with Word and Excel and all those MS teams. Honestly, I do also like the Intro to Engineering. I like that class. We're actually making a really fun project that I hope to be really involved with. We're making a horseshoe pit with concrete measurements and sand. Lots of measurements.
How much fun do you have in the barn here on campus?
I have a lot of fun. I mean, every now and then I would come in there and play pool, and then I would hit the weight room right afterwards for like 5 minutes because I don't really want to get that sweaty. It is no fun to do it by yourself because I like playing in the barn. Everyone loves being in the barn, so I normally just kick it in the barn. Any other time I'm in there is normally just washing my clothes.
How about those awesome tools in the Innovation Center?
Haven't touched them, but I've used them before back in my previous years with high school. It was actually really fun. It's interesting to see them and going more in detail with them. It kind of sets the bar as to what type of technology and how far advanced we're going in the future, and how it kind of makes me wonder what's going to be there after this and who's going to make it. Hopefully it's me.
Oh, you ever see that guy? He's been around forever. Harry on campus?
Yeah, I think I saw him in the barn. He plays pool really well. He knocks me out all the time, but he sheds a lot in the barn. Kind of a mess.
What do you think about your classes? Do you know all your teachers?
I would say I know all my teachers, but that would be a lie. Yes, I do.
The Innovation Center is awesome. You know, we have one of the biggest plasma cutters in the state. Nobody can touch that. I saw it do bulletproof steel in 3 seconds the other day. We use our laser cutters so much on campus that we had to get 2 of them. They make our signs, our posters, our students use them. The laser cutters get put to work. Oh, the hot section of the Innovation Center? Welding, forge, foundry, whatever it is, we have the stuff to shape some metal, definitely. Hey, Gabby.
Hey.
Let me ask you, what's some of the things that brought you here to Morrison Tech?
I was drawn to the creative side of everything, and I wanted to do something creative.
How about after graduation? Do you have any plans yet?
Anything that gets me a stable job financially and everything, and because Morrison Tech, they have placement, I'll just go right into something.
It is nice knowing you can make almost 50 grand coming right out of the door. So have you made yourself at home yet? Would you say you love it here on campus, or what was your opinion on that?
Everybody in the dorms, they're very nice and supportive.
Morrison Tech is a smaller campus. Do you think you feel a little more safe here?
Oh, definitely. If I was at a huge campus, I'd be, whew.
Let me ask you one more question. Have you ever seen somebody on campus real hairy? I can never get a good picture of them. It's always real blurry.
Sebastian. He probably clogs the drains with his hair. Needs some conditioner, some hairspray.
One of the cool things I think about the network administration degree is that you guys not only build a tower, you take it apart, you know the insides, the outsides, you go there and you can start any job immediately. Oh, you gotta love the barn. Pool, air hockey, darts, big screen TV, all sorts of parties in there. The barn is where it's at. Our 3D printing lab is one of the top in the nation. We have a new Formlab 3D printer coming that only us are gonna have in Illinois. It is awesome in there. Hey, Anthony.
Hey.
What got you to Morrison Tech anyways?
A friend actually suggested it to me. He talked about how they came to Whiteside Area Career Center and talked about their networking class, and then I did a little bit more research into it and discovered they had a whole bunch of other stuff like AutoCAD and construction and all sorts of things.
What's some of the technology that stood out to you while you were looking at us?
The 3D printing room for sure, because I've always seen people create different things and decide to just make it a reality with a 3D printer, and I've always wanted to do that. So that could be very useful for my hobbies.
How about that first time you walked into the Innovation Center? What did you think?
It was nice. I've never seen that much machinery, or that just the variety is just amazing. It's kind of a little bit speechless, but it's just awesome.
It's a lot more than you expect for little Morrison Tech. How about after Morrison Tech? Do you have any plans?
I'm hoping to get a career in interior design from learning AutoCAD here.
How about that career placement and potential salary after graduation?
I mean, it sets you off on the right track. They make sure you know exactly what you want to do and where you're going, basically. They don't just throw you out as soon as you graduate, so that's really nice.
Anthony, I know you drive here every day. Does that affect your schooling at all or whatever?
Not really. I get here right when my class is about to start, and I just hang out. Socially, I'm pretty much friendly with everyone. There's no one I don't get along with here. Everyone's very welcoming and just very open atmosphere.
Hey, one more thing, Anthony. You ever see someone on campus, kind of hairy, walks funny?
Oh yeah, Frank. He talked to me the other day, something like, "Oh."
Oh yeah, you mean, "Oh." He does that a lot.
Couldn't really understand what he was saying, but he's a pretty quirky guy.
You know, one of the things that I think is cool about all the programs we use is what's being used in the real world. We're not going to teach you anything that isn't being used by the people who are eventually going to employ you, you know? If you guys want to check out any more, we have some videos of some sample classrooms so you can see what it's like to be a Morrison Tech student for a little while. Make sure you follow us on Twitter, Instagram, check out our Facebook and our other YouTube videos. I'm Abe from Morrison Tech, and I hope you like our videos. Hey, get your feet off my desk, man.